2026 Bimota Tesi H2, the most revolutionary superbike on Earth. The 2026 Bimota Tesi H2 is not just another exotic superbike, it's one of the most radical motorcycles ever built. Handcrafted in Italy and powered by Kawasaki's legendary supercharged engine, the Tesi H2 combines breathtaking performance with Bimota's famous hub-center steering system, creating a machine unlike anything else on the road. Only a limited number are produced, making it one of the most exclusive motorcycles available. Supercharged Kawasaki power. At the heart of the Tesi H2 lies a 998 cubic centimeters supercharged inline-four engine derived from the legendary Kawasaki Ninja H2. The engine produces an incredible 231 horsepower, while ram air boosts output to approximately 242 horsepower. Torque reaches 141.7 Newton-meters, delivering explosive acceleration throughout the rev range. The supercharger provides instant thrust from low RPM while maintaining astonishing top-end performance. Few production motorcycles can match the Tesi H2's combination of acceleration and engineering sophistication. Revolutionary hub-center steering. The feature that truly defines the Tesi H2 is its unique hub-center steering system. Unlike conventional motorcycles that use telescopic front forks, the Tesi H2 separates steering and suspension functions through a sophisticated front swingarm and steering hub arrangement. This design dramatically reduces front-end dive during braking and helps maintain chassis stability when entering corners. The result is a riding experience that feels remarkably stable under hard braking while providing a sensation unlike any traditional superbike. Advanced electronics. The 2026 model includes a complete suite of modern rider aids. Cornering ABS, Bosch IMU, traction control, launch control, quick shifter, engine brake control, cornering management system, TFT display, electronic throttle control, Öhlins electronic steering damper. These systems help riders safely manage more than 230 horsepower while maximizing performance. Exclusivity. Bimota plans extremely limited production, with approximately 250 units built and individually numbered. Each motorcycle carries a unique serial plate, adding significant collector value. The Tesi H2 is aimed at enthusiasts who want something far rarer and more distinctive than conventional superbikes. Riding experience. The Tesi H2 offers an experience unlike any other motorcycle. The combination of supercharged power, hub-center steering, carbon fiber construction, and handcrafted Italian engineering creates a machine that feels futuristic even among today's most advanced superbikes. Many enthusiasts view the Tesi as a rolling engineering experiment and a piece of functional art rather than simply a motorcycle. Community discussions frequently highlight its uniqueness and innovative steering design. Final verdict. The 2026 Bimota Tesi H2 stands as one of the most technologically fascinating motorcycles ever produced. With over 230 horsepower, revolutionary hub-center steering, premium materials, advanced electronics, and extreme exclusivity, it represents the pinnacle of Bimota's engineering philosophy. For collectors and experienced riders seeking a motorcycle unlike anything else on the planet, the Tesi H2 remains one of the most extraordinary machines ever built. Bimota.com